UN Navy accidentally shoots down its own fighter jet over Red Sea amid rising regional tension. In a rare and alarming incident, a US Navy FA-18 fighter jet was mistakenly shot down by the USS Gettysburg during Operation Over the Red Sea. According to a statement from US Central Command, the friendly fire incident occurred as the aircraft launched from the USS Harry S. Truman amid heightened military activity in the region. Both pilots aboard the jet ejected safely and were swiftly rescued. While one pilot sustained minor injuries, both are reported to be in a stable condition. CENTCOM has launched an investigation into misidentification that led to incident, calling it a serious operational error. Houthi claims add to the confusion. Adding to the complexity, Yemen's Houthi rebels claimed responsibility for the jet's drowning. However, CENTCOM dismissed the claim, confirming that the aircraft was not brought down by the hostile fire but by an errant missile from the USS Gettysburg. The Houthis have recently intensified their attacks in the region, launching drones and missiles targeting Israel and allied forces. The Houthis' ongoing assault has included strikes aimed at Israeli and US assets, further straining the already volatile situation in the Middle East. The incident, occurring against the backdrop of escalating attack in the Red Sea and retaliatory airstrikes in Yemen, raises concern about the potential for miscalculation and unintended consequences. Now, if we talk about rising Red Sea tension, the Red Sea has become a flashpoint as Houthi forces align with regional powers opposed to US and Israeli influence. Over recent weeks, the Houthis have ramped up missiles and drone strikes, promoting strong retaliatory measures from US and allied forces. Military analysts warn that the combination of frequent attacks, retaliatory strikes, and incidents like the friendly fire could push the region closer to a broader confrontation. The risk of escalation are very real, said a Middle East security expert. This kind of mistake underscores the danger of operating in such a high-pressure, complex environment. If we discuss about global implication, the incident has raised questions about the US Navy's operations protocols and the risk of accidental engagements during the high-stress mission. It also highlights the precarious balance of power in the Red Sea, a critical route for global trade and energy supplies. As investigations continue, the US faces mounting pressure due to escalation tension and restore stability in the region. With the conflict showing no sign of abating, the risk of further incident and their potential to ignite a broader Middle Eastern conflict remain a pressing concern. Guys, this was Amna Tariq reporting and you were watching Desi TV USA. For more interesting updates like these, keep watching and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.